Welcome to video 46 in series 3, and in this video I'm going to write the player master script. I'll start by making a new master script, and I'm going to call it player master. Alright, and open it up. I'm not going to need any of these methods, so I'll just get rid of them. And I'll start building my event system. So public delegate void general event handler. Then I'm going to have a couple of events. So public event of the type general event handler, and the first one's going to be event inventory changed. The next one, why don't I just copy this? I'm going to have 3. And the second one, I'll make it event hands empty. And the last one, event ammo changed. So I'll just get rid of that. I'll make another delegate here, so public delegate void ammo event handler. And this one is actually going to take some parameters. So first of all, string, and I'll put in like ammo name or ammo type. So ammo name, and I'll put in here int quantity. Okay, so that is my delegate here. So this event will actually pass on these values to the listener. And then of course I need to make the event there. And just before I do that, I just realized I probably should just make that a bit more sensible, because this is what it's going to be about. It's about the picking up of ammo. So ammo pickup event handler. And now I'll put in my public event of the type ammo pickup event handler. Event picked up ammo. Picked up ammo. Reads a bit better. Okay, so that's that done. We'll have another delegate now. Public delegate void player health event handler. And this too will have a parameter. So it's going to be an int basically, and I guess I'll just call it int health change, and then 2 events. So public event of the type player health change. Oops, wrong spelling. Player health change. I'll call this one. What will I call it? Like player health event. Player health deduction. And then I'll copy that. Let's bring it over, and I'll make this one player health increase. Okay, so those are my events. Now I need to, of course, have methods here so that they can be called. So of course other scripts will access the master script and then call those events. So first of all, public void call event inventory changed, and of course have to check that something is actually subscribed to that event. Inventory changed not equal to null, and if it's not, then if this public method is called, then action that event inventory changed. Okay, good. And pretty much I just need to do the same sort of thing another few times. Public void call event hands empty. Check it. So if event hands empty not equal to null, then in that case event hands empty. Alright, and then public void call event ammo changed, and then if event ammo changed. Oh, should put it inside. If event ammo changed not equal to null, then of course call it event ammo changed. Okay, looking good. Still got these other 3 more to go, so this one will get some parameters in it. Public void call event picked up ammo, and this is going to be a string, and I'll just call it the ammo name. I can call it exactly the same thing, doesn't matter, int quantity. Alright, and first of all check if event picked up ammo not equal to null, so something is subscribed. Then alright, then event picked up ammo, and I need to pass in the parameters, ammo name, that's there, and quantity. Alright, good. So, which is really cool. So what's going to happen is that whatever is listening to this event, it will receive the values that's passed into this event when it's triggered, so it'll automatically get those values, and I can then make use of it, which is very, very cool. Okay, continuing. Public void call event, what's that event? Player health deduction, call event player health deduction. And this one too, it needs an int, so I'll just put in here DMG to stand for damage. And basically, if event player health deduction not equal to null, then in that case, deduct that health. It will call this event player health deduction DMG, pass it in, good. Next, the increase, public void call event player health increase. I'll say int increase. Now I don't actually ever call this method. I haven't made any pickups in the S3 project. I mean, you can, it's very easy. Once we've built all the systems, you'll be able to do such a thing easily yourself, but I don't actually ever make use of this method here. It's just there, it's waiting to get used, but it's never actually used in my project. Not equal to null, then event player health increase, and that is increase. Good. Okay, so that's all done, and I've got all of my player master stuff completed, so that means I should jump back into Unity, go to the player, and slap it on. One thing I should do, I just realized the player is still a prefab, and I don't want it to overwrite the original prefab, unless I've already made one. No, see, I've not actually made a unique prefab for the player. So what I should do is game object break prefab instance. So I shouldn't hit apply here, otherwise it'll go and save it over the standard assets, and this is no longer a standard assets, I guess, player character. I've changed it a fair bit. Well, we'll be changing it even more, and it's changed enough to warrant not doing that. Okay, so that's it. My player master script is on. Of course, absolutely nothing is going to happen with that, but it is the foundation of what we'll be doing for the rest of the series, really, because there's a lot that happens with those events that you saw there. Okay, that's it for this video, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.